tired of launching brilliant strategies that never seem to get off the ground? Is the inability to implement the Achilles heel of your organization? Well, it could be you're focused on the big picture, the strategy, or the details, the implementation, but not both. Until you do both, you'll end up chasing others. Hi, I'm Holly G. Green, the architect of Pause, Thinking to Thrive expert, and author of Using Your Brain to Win. In today's insanely fast-moving markets, winning requires thinking strategically and executing according to that strategy in a timely manner. It's a daunting challenge when you consider that the speed, the rate of change, and universal access to information have created a whole new set of demands on your daily attention. Balancing your energy and attention across strategy and execution requires a combination of skills and ways of thinking that may not be natural to you and your brain. But when you pull it off, it creates a strong competitive advantage that's hard to beat. Creating a winning strategy involves pausing to scan the horizons beyond just your industry. How is your organization positioned in relation to competition within your industry? Are they growing faster or slower than you? What are others doing new, different, or better than you? Are competitors incrementally improving the status quo or transforming your industry? Next, you want to look at companies and industries adjacent to yours. What barriers to entry would make it difficult to invade your industry? Do they have the people, the technology, or the resources that might eliminate those barriers? Do they have ways of working that could disrupt your industry? Then take a look at the world at large. What companies or industries currently enjoy the fastest growth rates? What problem do they solve for their customers? Are those solutions likely to impact your business or industry? Where are unexpected competitors most likely to come from? Every now and then, pause just enough to consider significant changes and shifts in trends, demographics, customer wants and needs. Then talk with your team about how the data could impact your business or industry. Above all, constantly ask my favorite question, what if? Unlike strategy, which is future-oriented, implementation requires paying attention to the here and now. To stay focused on the details, pause briefly and plan out your time for the week ahead. Break it down into separate activity blocks. And as the week unfolds, of course things won't go as you think, so track the amount of time you allocate to each block while asking yourself, does this align with and support our vision of winning? Are some areas taking up too much of my time for the anticipated return? Of all I do today and throughout the week, what will have the most impact a year from now? Stage your vision by using a variety of visual tools to keep you focused on the activities that matter most. The fastest way to prompt your brain is a visual. So make sure that you're using them constantly in your organization so that you focus yourself and others on what is most important. Then develop a scorecard to help clarify the strategy and the goals while managing the implementation across individuals, departments, and the organization. With so much opportunity available in today's markets, it's the combination of focusing on the right things and getting them done every day that really separates the winners from those chasing the winners. Balancing the big picture with the details ensures that you're not just running, you're running in the right direction, and you're running with your team in the same race faster than your competitors.